afternoon, everyone. It is the first day of Vlogmas. I'm actually going to give this It's the first day of Vlogmas. So I decided that this year I am going to make a very, very hard attempt at posting a vlog every single day and actually participating in Vlogmas. Today, because it is Sunday, is of course race day. So I'm up here at Sumerian, we're getting ready to do races, I'm having a lot of fun. I'm actually thoroughly enjoying this. Today is what we call an endurance race. So we have to do 8-minute laps, we have pit stops. So it's going to be interesting, especially considering that I am not the best FPV pilot. But I think it's gonna be fun. And I am looking forward to what December brings.
We have 4 thumbs up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Panic 21.6 in first. You're in 25.3 in second.
Okay.
I keep missing it.
There you go. You got it.
Camet 18.6 in first.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Just pin it.
Go up.
Pin.
Hey,
There you
got
go.
it. Oh.
Just get
There's barely any battery left.
You just have to get through.
Yeah.
Go.
All right, stop. You got to pit. You made it through. Come pit. Come pit. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Battery test.
You gotta go through that gate first when you start again.
Panic 21 flat in first.
Lap that you would have gotten if you went all the way around. So,
I can do one more.
right.
Why does it say that?
Oh, you just went into the. You're like, look, oh, your battery is kind of low.
Oh, is that why it kept beeping? I thought it was like disconnecting.
No,
and
it was. It
reconnecting.
was disconnecting, too. Like, it has telemetry, and every time it loses the telemetry, like, it just goes, beeps at you, because it doesn't have
I
any.
didn't record any of that.
Oh, I recorded all of it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. So I got 6 laps in my very first race. I, of course, like usual, forgot to turn on my DVR. But luckily, my husband followed me around the course with my Osmo. So I'm going to insert footage right here of my very first race in today's endurance lap. And then hopefully I actually remember to turn the DVR on for the rest of my races, and I can insert awesome drone footage from my races. No. Like I'm trying to not have anybody crash into me so I can get footage from this side. I am so freaking proud of myself, you guys. I got 6 laps the first round, and then my goal was to get just as many laps during the second round, and instead of getting 6, I completed 8 laps my second round. 8 laps, you guys. That's so freaking amazing. I'm so proud of myself. So next time that we do an endurance heat, which I think is in 4 weeks, my goal is to just freaking kill it. My biggest thing is that I need to fly a lot more. I do not fly enough. Like I said, I've been flying about 2 months now, month and a half, and I have flown like maybe, if I'm lucky, I'm probably being nice to myself right now, a total of 80 packs of batteries. So there needs to be a lot more practice on my part so that I can just continue to dominate this. I am, oh, so proud of myself right now. So proud.